Hi there. This video is to help you install FT10, which is a Windows-like desktop setup for antiX 21. So let's get out of here. So first of all, you have to have antiX programs updated to current. And for that, you go to the main menu, Applications, antiX, and run the antiX updater. Depending on how long it's been since it's run, it might be very quick or it might be slow. It basically makes sure that everything's up to date, this one's already up to date. And so once you've done that, you can go to the Control Center and you go to Software and you go to Manage Packages and you click that. And you can maximize that to full screen and do a search and look for FT10. Search. There it is there. And so what we want to do is we want to check that. Click Mark for installation. Click Mark. And then click Apply. Click Apply again. It's downloading and installing. Now after the FT10 is installed, it needs to be configured. So we can close out of Synaptic here, the package manager. And we can go to and close the Control Center. And go to antiX, Applications, and I think that's under Preferences, right? And so what we want to do is we want to, excuse me, enable FT10. Okay, and you have two types of menus that you can choose from if you like the button menu or if you want the list menu. Let's go with the button menu. And now you have options of file manager. The ZZZFM file manager is similar to Space FM, which is similar to PC Man FM, which is basically a file manager that does multiple panes. It does up to 4 panes, where you can, copy and paste things from one pane to the other, or bring up different things on the different panes. The ROX filer is the default file manager, and it doesn't do it that way. It's kind of different. The panes setup is more, I would say, it's closer to a Windows look, if you will, comparatively. I'm not going to install a content compositor. That allows you to have transparency on the screen and such. And I'm just going to take the defaults here, and let's see what it does. So it's going to disable the volume icon down here, and it's going to include automatic updates, and it'll disable the conky. This is the conky over here. So again, we're just going to take the defaults and let it go. And it's all installed. And so now, if we go down to the menu button and we left click, we get sort of a more Windows friendly style menu. And if we right click, by the way, we get the antiX menu, the standard IceWM antiX menu. So you can still bring up the old menus if you want. But now your desktop is more, I guess, more like a Windows look. Your tray is different also, in that you have different, tray monitors and such are different. Um, Start button, clock, and this probably has a calendar behind it. Yes. And this is my battery. This is my screen recording there, so you will have that. Unplugged USB drives, volume. It's just a scroll bar. Nothing unusual. Wi-Fi, just pops up the Wi-Fi manager. And CPU and RAM, that brings up your task manager. If you click that, you can see what programs are running. And other than that, it's pretty normal, but it's more of a Windows look. Hope you enjoyed the video. Click the like. I only had one person click the like last time, so hopefully somebody will click the like. Thank you. Bye bye.